Namaste. Welcome to this quick restorative yoga refresher. In this class, you are going to need a cushion, any type of cushion will do, and any type of a strap. So I've got a yoga strap, but you could use a scarf. That would be a good tool to use. The other thing that you need is either a couch or an armchair that's nearby, even any regular chair, as long as it's soft, will do. I'm going to be using my bolsters and a pile of blankets in place of a couch. So if you don't have a couch or an armchair nearby, you could use those as well. So let's get started. We're going to start sitting, just to warm up the body a little bit and start to release some tension. So let's start by rolling the shoulders back in big circles. This is a go-to for me. Anytime that you just need a little bit of refreshment in your day, rolling the shoulders can really be helpful. Just helps to wake you back up again, bring awareness back into the body, and relieve any tension that, for a lot of people, builds up in the shoulders. And then rolling your shoulders forward. Good. And inhale, shrug your shoulders up, tense them, and drop. And again, tense, and drop. Last time, tense, and drop. Good. And then grabbing onto your knees. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift your chest, waking up the spine. Round your back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, lift, and release. Good. Taking your right hand over to your left knee. Inhale, look up and over your left shoulder. Taking some deep breaths here. And slowly release. Let's do the other side. And slowly release. Good. Take your arm up and over to the side. Nice side stretch. Moving the spine in all directions. We've gone forward and back in a twist, and now to the side. That's only been a few minutes, right? So it's really easy for you to refresh yourself in this way. You can even do these exercises while you're sitting in a chair at work. Inhale up and over. Just simple ways to integrate your yoga practice into your day. And inhale up, exhale, release. Good. Let's just roll the wrists around and the ankles around for a moment. Yeah, we'll finish with the neck, recrossing your legs. Drop your chin to your chest. Take your hands to the back of your neck. Push your head up into your hands. Relax your shoulders. Guide your nose in towards your right armpit and towards the left armpit. Back to center. Release your hands and then slowly lift your chest, lift your chin. Drop your head back and bring your head back to center. Look over your right shoulder. Look over your left shoulder. Head back to center. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Left ear to left shoulder. And back to center. Good. We'll finish by rocking forward and back. Nice massage for the whole back. Good. And now getting ready for our restorative yoga pose. So, as I said, if you have a couch nearby, you're going to want to put your mat close to that couch. I'm going to use a bolster and some blankets to take the place of a couch. You could do this too. Just build up whatever cushions and blankets that you have at home. You want them to be about knee height. So these are slightly lower than knee height for me, but anything around knee height will be good. And then the next step is to take, and by the way, if you're on a hard surfaced floor, your yoga mat might not be enough, so you might want to put a couple of blankets underneath your back as well. If you're on a carpeted floor, it's probably fine. So then you're placing your cushion in between your calves, wrapping your strap or your scarf or tie, whatever you've got handy, wrapping that around your calves. You're going to sit side saddle. Oh, one more thing that we need actually a head support. So you can use a blanket, you could use a cushion, a pillow. I'm using a sandbag, anything to support your head. It's not necessary, but it does feel nice. Okay, so we're sitting side saddle to your couch or your pile of blankets and cushions, or if you have a bolster, you can use those as well. You're going to swing your legs up, lie back, adjust your head support, make sure that your back is feeling comfortable. Settling in, arms at your sides, palms facing up, shoulders away from your ears. And it's as simple as that. Now just settling in. Allow your hips to relax. Back relax. Shoulders sinking into the mat. Hands and arms sinking in. Neck and jaw softening. Eyes and forehead softening. The whole body softening, letting go into the support beneath you. Taking some deep breaths. As you inhale, abdomen rises, chest expands. As you exhale, abdomen falls, chest falls. Again, take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Keep breathing these slow and steady breaths. Each exhalation, you relax even more. Melting, softening, relaxing. long breath out, bringing awareness back into your body. You can wiggle your fingers and toes, maybe stretch your body out. And roll yourself to the side. Stay there for a breath. And then press yourself up to sitting. Remove your cushion and your strap. Sitting comfortably. Eyes are closed. Take a deep breath in and chant Om and Shanti 3 times. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. Thanks for joining me for this restorative yoga practice. If you're feeling a little bit sleepy or not like getting back into the rest of your day, just do some shoulder rolls to wake you back up. Already I can feel it kind of waking my consciousness back up into my body and into my day. So you can try that as well. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates on the next videos that we upload. Again, thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day.